Let's take it out, have a look. I haven't had a look yet, so. And that is disgusting. If you're like me and service your own Astra K model, BK, I think it's a 2018 model, you will often overlook the cabin filter or the pollen filter. It's easy to overlook. It's out of sight, out of mind, and a lot of people think it's not that important, but it really is. After all, it does filter the air from coming from the outside to the inside, and it can filter the recirculation of the air inside the vehicle. So it performs as an antiviral, antibacterial, anti-mold. It's a pollen filter, dirt and dust filter. It's an odor barrier, and it's saying here to do it every 12 months or 15,000 Ks. Now, I've been servicing this vehicle since it was out of warranty, so probably for a good 4 years, and I haven't changed it once. So we're going to do it today and see what it looks like, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I've got the Ryco filter today. It's the part number there. Whoops, there's my part number, if that helps you with your searching. So this is actually hidden up behind the glove box, and I believe there's 5 screws in the glove box. So there's 2 down the side here, 1, 2. There's 1 up the back, you can see, 3, and the other 2 are behind this panel, which is a 1-piece panel. It goes all the way down, all the way up, but you can just move it back. You can just move it back. You don't need to take the whole panel off. And you'll see another screw there, another screw there. These are 7mm. Nice, easy, 7mm. They're not very tight. You can easily do these with one hand. I find an extension on the ratchet to be a little bit easier. Okay, I'm just going to put this down. Now you know where the bolts are. Remember, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 2 down this side, 7mm. I'll put the camera down and I'll just undo those bolts to show you next. Okay, I've just put the windscreen cover up to stop the glare for you. Hopefully it helps. Whoa. So all those screws are undone, and I'm doing this with one hand, but we should be able to just pull this glove box out. Bam, we're out, and that's your glove box. See these clips? You just need to line those up again when you put it in. Alrighty, so your pollen filter, look at the state of under here. So there's a clip on the side of this here. This is your fan motor. There's another clip, same as the other one. And there it is, taking note of the airflow. It's saying airflow down towards the airflow is going down towards the fan motor. While this is all out, obviously we'll give it a clean. This is air that is being fired into our face. So let's take it out, have a look. I haven't had a look yet, so. And that is disgusting. That is absolutely messed up. We don't live on a dirt road. We live in Perth City somewhere, so that is crazy. I'll just get the other one out and we'll compare the two. Have a go at this. That is absolutely messed up. There's just layers of dirt in there. This is the clean one. And the difference in the weight, that is just such a clogged up filter. And that's what's been blowing into the face of us in the summertime. You crank your air conditioner, your air goes through that. It's a little bit repulsive. Anyway, we'll put it back in and we'll test it out. See if there's a noticeable difference. So the glove box, I've just lifted it back up. I've put the filter in. Put the screws back in. All the screws are the same size, so it doesn't matter which of the 5 screws you put in which place, as long as you put them all in. And then we'll click it back together. That's it. Job done. It really doesn't take very long. It's just out of sight. Everyone thinks it's a bigger job than it really is. It's all done. Check your glove box opens and closes as it should, which it does. Oh, did not did that. Very good. Alright, we'll start it up and we'll see. The air conditioner actually wasn't struggling and was keeping cold, but from that I'm gathering it must have been working overtime. Just another shot of this air filter. Have a go at the state of it. The underside of it, oh, it's heavy, man. It's not too bad, obviously, because that's the side the clean air is. But even the clean air will stop coming out after. That took all of about 10 minutes and one 7mm ratchet with an extension. You could do it without the extension. I just found it easier. That's all it took, and it has blown me away how dirty that was. I am going to show everyone that air filter, anyone who'll listen. I didn't imagine it would be like that. I thought it would be dusty. I thought maybe a little bit sandy because we live in a sandy, fairly new estate. But that has just taken me by surprise. Goes to show, if you haven't done it in a while, just do it. Especially if you have pets, children, you're allergic to dust, pollen. Change the cabin filter, or the pollen filter, often called, in your car, in your newer vehicle, obviously. Makes a difference. I won't leave it that long ever again. After seeing that, never ever. Thanks for watching. I do regular maintenance tasks on the Astra, so if you're ever looking for anything to do with the Astra, every now and then you'll see one pop up. I'll see you next time. Thank you.